How to grow your hair fast and naturally at home. Hey everyone, welcome to Beauty and Tips. Curious how to get irresistibly silky, smooth hair? This video reveals top hair masks and hacks that will elevate your routine and give you the luscious locks you've always wanted. Don't miss out. Discover the secrets now. Use a mild shampoo. Choose a sulfate-free shampoo to avoid stripping your hair of natural oils. Wash your hair less frequently to retain moisture. Condition regularly. Apply conditioner every time you wash your hair. Focus on the ends to avoid weighing down the roots. Consider using a deep conditioning treatment once a week. Avoid heat styling. Limit the use of blow dryers, straighteners, and curling irons. If you must use them, apply a heat protectant spray beforehand. Trim regularly. Get regular trims to prevent split ends and breakage, which can hinder hair growth. Use a wide tooth comb. Detangle your hair with a wide tooth comb while it's wet to reduce breakage. Avoid brushing wet hair as it's more prone to damage. Protect from sun and chlorine. Wear a hat or use a leave-in conditioner with UV protection when exposed to the sun. Rinse your hair with clean water before swimming to minimize chlorine damage. Eat a balanced diet. Incorporate vitamins and minerals essential for hair health, like vitamins A, C, D, E, biotin, and omega-3 fatty acids. Foods like nuts, fish, and leafy greens are beneficial. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair hydrated from the inside out. Avoid tight hairstyles. Opt for loose styles to prevent stress on your hair and scalp. Avoid tight ponytails and buns. Use silk or satin pillowcases. They cause less friction compared to cotton, reducing breakage and frizz while you sleep. Here are some effective hair masks that can help you achieve silky smooth and longer hair. Argan Oil Hair Mask. Rich in essential fatty acids and vitamin E, this mask helps nourish and smooth hair. Coconut Oil Hair Mask. Deeply moisturizes and adds shine, reducing frizz and breakage. Keratin Hair Mask. Helps restore keratin levels in the hair, making it smoother and more manageable. Aloe vera and coconut milk mask hydrates and soothes the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth and shine. We hope you enjoyed exploring these incredible hair masks and hacks with us. Each of these transformative treatments is designed to elevate your hair care routine, giving you the silky, smooth locks you've always dreamed of. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty insights and updates. Thanks for watching.